Hey guys, David Sung here with Texas Pro Signs. I'm out here today in Corinth, Texas at Be Nutritious Social Dink. They're a pickleball club out here. And we'll be installing a channel letter sign. So let me show you the sign real quick. This is a LED lit channel letter sign with acrylic face. We're going to be installing this into 3 sections. And it's about 65 inches tall and about 60 feet wide when it's all put together. So we hope you guys enjoy the video, and we'll see you soon. Thank you.